How to configure your Wcart store profile. Starting from the dashboard, on the left side navigation menu, go to the Settings section and select General Settings. Start by entering your store information, including the store name and contact details. Add your support contact number and WhatsApp number so customers can easily reach your business whenever they need assistance. Next, move to the website address section. Use the editor to add important links, promotional content, display on your storefront. Now, let's customize your store branding. Under the primary logo section, upload your original website logo. Wcart also allows you to configure separate logos for light and dark themes, ensuring that your brand looks consistent across different viewing modes. Additionally, upload a favicon that will appear in the Browser tab. You can adjust the logo width and height to fit your website layout perfectly. If your business has a mobile application, you can also enable the option to display Google Play Store and App Store icons on your website. Once all the details have been configured, review the settings and click Submit to save your changes. After saving, visit your storefront to preview the updates. Your customized branding, contact information, and design changes will now be visible to your customers. Thank you for watching.